Okay, see, things do break sometimes when you get one of these things, and when it does break, it's not the end of the world. You get some super glue. Put a little bit of super glue on it. First you put the piece back on, put a tab of super glue, and hold it for just a moment or two. Super glues that way. That one didn't work. Let's see. He's just got a little knife or a chisel that he's holding it on with while the glue sets. Okay. Now that is back in place. ตอนนี้แน่นหรือยังจะลืมกันเลยแน่นแล้วแน่นแล้วแน่นแต่ได้มาติดแล้วบอกตีนบอกยิงกันละหมด